Okay, so to get this started, we, after all the dependencies have been installed, after the repo has been cloned, so we run start, and now the monitor is just running and waiting for commands. So over here, we go over here. It's just serving this page on localhost 3000. API key, you can pretty much ignore that. I didn't actually implement anything for that. Your node URL, and you want a WebSocket connection. It's required for filtering. So I've just got this, my node right here, Infura. And then you can enter in this information for transactions you want to filter for. So like the sender, a router address. So this will be required if you're looking specifically for a router. Transactions being sent to a router. So this has to be a UniswapV2 or like a V2 clone router. In order, it has to be that set of smart contracts in order for the transactions to be decoded, and then relevant token addresses that you want to filter for. I think right now, actually, these are just different. These can be different from addresses. I know they say token and pair, but based on what my client had asked for, this is just actually just additional from addresses to add. And so this could be essentially, you could point it at any Ethereum type blockchain just by changing this node to a different Ethereum blockchain. And you just update the router address to whichever router that you're looking for. Like you can put in like sushi swaps, you can put in pancake swaps, you can put in Quickswap's router, and it'll the monitor will pick up pending transactions in the given blockchain's pending transaction pool that are being sent to this router. All right, so for the first thing you do is you just update the node, so it passes this argument here to the monitor, so it knows which node to use. So update node. Right here it says provider updated. Okay, so that's what it's going to use. And now I'm just going to say start monitor. And right now it's looking at Ethereum mainnet, and it's looking for the UniswapV2 router. So I'm going to press start monitor, and we're going to see pending transactions show up over here with information regarding the transaction and the function being sent. And then once a transaction is confirmed, we'll get another message that says confirmed. So once again, it's very, very rough proof of concept. We'll start. Okay, there we go. So we're getting pending transactions. This is the mainnet, UniswapV2, so obviously there's quite a few of them. And then eventually we'll get one that says confirmed, pending transaction found. So I'm logging all of these pending transactions, and then once one of them is added to a block, we get another message that says that it's been confirmed. Just wait here a little bit. Oh, there we go. Transact confirmed. So I'll just stop this. Control C. Okay, so this transaction confirmed. That is because this transaction with this hash had already been, I had already found it in the pending pool, and I kept tracking it and like checking for it. And then once I found that it was added to a block, then we get this message saying it's confirmed. And then with all the info of the, I didn't pull the receipt, so you're not getting the receipt data, but you're getting at least the function inputs. I think on another iteration of this, we would want to see the receipt data, because then we would see the status is 0 or 1, and then we could pull from the logs, get the exact amounts transferred. But for all intents and purposes, this is just a rough like proof of concept. And let's say we want to switch things up a little bit here. I think I have a Polygon. Do I have Polygon router address? I might have Polygon router address. Let me get the Quickswap router address. It's not periphery. Deployments. Quickswap interface. Quickswap router. Well, Quickswap router. That must be it. Well, we will filter for that one. So contract. Yeah, this must be it. Okay, so I'm going to copy that address. I want to go in here, and I'm going to put that router in there. And then I have a a Polygon node with WebSockets, WebSocket endpoint. So I'm going to update my node here to be Matic. So, and then I'm going to restart my monitor, update the node. Let's see, provider updated, perfect. And we've got the Quickswap router and start monitor. Boom, look at that. We are getting pending transactions to the Quickswap router on Polygon now from the same app seconds later. Right on. I'm just going to stop here.